Welcome to all pre-pick tutorials.
Today, I am going to show you how to create green chalkboard texture background in Adobe Illustrator. Please watch entire tutorial video. Draw a horizontal shape with the rectangle tool. Outline none. Apply gradient fill color. Gradient panel. Control F9. Left gradient slider color R0G50B0 and right gradient slider color R3G100B30. Type radial. Click on reverse gradient. Go to Windows menu and Appearance, Shift F6. Select Fill and click on Duplicate selected item. Go to Effect menu and Texture and Grain. Intensity 40 and Contrast 50. Grain type Soft. Blending mode Screen. Opacity 50%. Brushes panel F5. Make duplicate brush of cat's top view. Size 100 mm and bristle length 150% and bristle density 33% and bristle thickness 50% and paint opacity 5% and stiffness 50%. Click on Apply to strokes. Outline color white. Draw strokes randomly. Select shape and go to object menu and lock and selection. Ctrl 2. Select all strokes and apply screen blending mode. Finally, your chalkboard texture background is now ready. Please follow step by step and it's easy way to create chalkboard texture background design in Adobe Illustrator.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.